Good day guys, this is Mate here. Today we're going to launch Palworld and we're going to have a look at all the things that we can do on it. So here's my desktop and we're going to go right click this Palworld right here as right click, and then you want to run it as admin. Now I believe I have a problem with my world again, so I'm going to show you how to fix it again, and this time I'm going to take you through the desktop process and everything else. So as you can see, it's now loading. We hit OK. We wait. Okay, so now that you're in the game, you hit start game. I think it was Pokemon Land that was not opening for me. So we'll just leave it how it already was, and we just hit start game. And I believe this will crash on us. Just wait for it. Oh, looks like it's going to load in. Oh no. Okay, so it's crashed. Alright, so now that it's crashed, we go back into the game, we relaunch it as admin again, like this. Wait for it to load back up. Okay. So this time we want to hit start game. So Pokemon Land didn't load for us, so we'll go change world settings. See multiplayer, you want to turn it off. Hit OK, confirm, and then Pokemon Land, you want to start the game. And this time it should work straight away. Whoa! There's Pokemons everywhere. Alright, now you're back in the game. What you want to do is go return the title, go yes. This is so you can get your friends into the game as well. So your friends will keep the save as well by changing it back to single player. Basically hit Pokemon Land, go change world settings, turn multiplayer back on, go OK, go save, and start game. And we wait again, and it should just load straight into the game without crashing to the desktop. This is how you save your game saves, basically. So if you still want to play with your friends and stuff, and it's been crashing to the desktop like that, then this is the way to fix it. If this video has helped you, hit the good old thumbs up button, hit the sub button while you're there, and I'll see you all in the next one. Have a good one, guys.